If you've been following the channel, you know I've been working on my Maxima and GS300 builds. But the truth is, the garage has become a complete mess. One thing about me is I hate working in a mess. It's hard to be productive, and especially when things are not organized. And yes, I'm the one who created the mess, but we gotta get this cleaned up. I'm not looking to drop a ton of cash on professional shelvings or paint or fancy floors. I just need to make my workspace more productive and organized. And plus, I'd rather spend the money on the cars. An issue that I was having in the garage was that I had everything in different locations. So one of the main goals of this is to have everything in a central location. The previous owner had studs put up on the wall, so what I plan on doing is getting pallets that I got from my neighbor and using the planks from the pallets and mounting them across the studs. So this will allow me to have a full mounting surface that I could put anything up on the wall. And instead of having to walk all over the garage looking for things, I'll have everything in one central location. The first step is taking down everything that is already mounted, clearing out the area, organizing the tools, and clearing out any trash. By the time we're done, I'll have a wall-to-wall workspace that actually makes sense for the way I work, and it will be more efficient. As you could see, I already had some planking installed on the wall, but I'm going to be removing that and I'm going to be reinstalling it from top to bottom so it fits better and looks cleaner. I'm going to be doing it this way so I don't end up with small awkward pieces that don't fit when I get to the top. And this is where we're at for progress. I was able to take everything down that was already mounted, clear up the area for the most part. I started putting the planking back up, working from top to bottom. So in the next video, I'll finish up with the planking, mount the storage bins, and I'll catch you in part 2.